If you wish to complete a stapled job from copy mode, please walk up to the device and ensure you put your documents in the doc feeder in the correct way. Please now select the copy button. You are now in the copy screen. At this point, please select Staple Sort. This will now give you the option of either 1 position stapling or 2 position stapling. You will also notice as you pick each representation, it will in fact show you as an icon on the screen. Once you have made your decision whether you wish 1 staple or 2, please hit the OK button. At this point, you can either pick the black and white or colour start button and your document will be produced with stapling. You will also notice that there is an icon on the screen showing where the document will be produced.